So from the top floor, there's a sitting area to the right of the staircase. As you can see, the stairs going down, the entire living area, and another sitting area to the left of the staircase. So as I pan around, the one bedroom is down this hallway. Another bedroom is down this entryway. And to the right of the staircase, a sitting area, is another, looks like another master bedroom as well. There is a converted office space into a bedroom, spare bedroom, two bunk beds, one bunk bed, and a twin size bed. Walking down the hallway from the sitting area, you walk into another master bedroom with a balcony straight out this door that I'm showing you. It's facing the street side